Humans aren't the only ones who use medicine. Other animals do it too. An orangutan called Raku was observed with a horrible wound on his face, probably from a fight with another male. But what researchers saw him do was incredible. Raku began feeding on a plant called Fibruria tinctora, that's locally known as akar kuning. Normally this plant makes up less than 0.5% of orangutan feeding records. Instead of just eating the leaves, Raku chewed them without swallowing. He then used his fingers to apply the plant juice directly onto his wound. He repeated this several times and eventually he pressed the chewed leaves over the cut until it was fully covered like a bandage. Akar kuning isn't an ordinary plant. It contains compounds with antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, and it's used in traditional medicine across Southeast Asia to treat conditions ranging from fever to malaria. 5 days after Raku treated himself, his wound had already closed with no sign of infection. Researchers also noticed that he was resting more while recovering, so something that probably helped with the healing. This is interesting because it's the first systematic documentation of a great ape actively treating a wound with a medicinal plant. The behaviour looked intentional. He targeted the wound, he repeated the treatment, and then he covered it with a plant-like bandage. This leaves us with a whole set of questions. How common is self-medication in animals? Did Raku learn this, or did he copy other orangutans? Or did he copy humans? Or is it possible that humans once learned from orangutans, or maybe both discovered the same remedy independently?